In a world driven by innovation, where change is the only constant, entrepreneurial ventures are the heartbeat of progress. Meet Sarah, an ambitious entrepreneur, fueled by the desire to create solutions for tomorrow's challenges. We're not just dreaming, we're building a future where innovation meets necessity. From groundbreaking technologies to disruptive business models, these ventures redefine industries and push boundaries. It's about identifying problems and providing solutions that resonate with people's needs. Innovation isn't just about ideas, it's about execution and adapting to change. From healthcare to sustainability, from tech to education, entrepreneurial ventures are revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. We did it because we dared to dream and worked tirelessly to make it a reality. Join the movement. Embrace innovation, challenge the status quo, and embark on a journey where every idea has the power to change the world. The future is yours to create. Start your entrepreneurial journey today. But where do these journeys begin? The answer lies in the courage to take that first step. It's about daring to dream and believing in the potential of your vision. It's not always about having all the answers, it's about the resilience to face challenges head-on. Failures are stepping stones, lessons in disguise, shaping the road to success. And when perseverance meets passion, success becomes a reality. Join a community of visionaries, where collaboration fosters innovation. From workshops to funding opportunities, the ecosystem supports your entrepreneurial journey. To innovation and the audacity to create change. Remember, it's not just about building businesses, it's about shaping a better future for generations to come.